I'm Mark Schneider, you're watching Schneider Classics, and today we're going to work on a little bit of the wiring on this.
Yeah, that lit up.
So as you can see, I already have the top lights working. We're going to be working on today on the back. Now, because I'm doing a flat deck on this, I'm going to be using these, but I just need to get the harness done for now. We're not doing the flat deck yet, but I'm going to get the harness done for now just to get it working. I guess what I'll do first is throw this up on a fast loop, get all this wired up, and then we'll come back and I'll show you how I did it.
What's happened to my head? I used to think about a lot of things, now really not that much. Everything I forget, yeah, I'm forgetting nearly everything now that I got your love. Cause you're holding on like leaves in the autumn time to my brain. And I don't know what you're doing to me, but I won't mind if you stay. Cause I kinda like it, though you got me indecisive without even trying. Always preoccupying, even out of sight. You're never out of mind. You've taken up all my headspace, and I can't fight off your embrace. No, I have no self-control. Your love won't let me go. Oh no, no. It's like I got raided and the offender took off without any traces. But through the front door of my imagination, ran off with everything, it don't take no time wasted. Debating, safe to say it's you. I don't know what you done and I don't know what my brain did, but everything inside of bed evaporated. You see, before I had a lot of thoughts racing, but you've erased it and replaced it too. You've taken up all